Hi everyone! If you're gearing up for a baby shower and want it to be unforgettable, you've come to the right place. I'm here to share some top unique baby shower ideas that will surely wow your guests and make this special day even more magical. Let's dive in. First up, why not go for a theme that's totally out of the box? How about a Welcome to the World Traveler theme? Decorate with globes, maps, and vintage suitcases. You can serve international dishes and have a passport-style invitation. It's fun, it's different, and it really celebrates the new journey that the little one is about to embark on. Next, let's talk about a DIY onesie station. Set up a table with plain onesies and all the supplies needed for guests to decorate them: fabric paints, iron-on decals, and cute stencils. Not only is it a creative activity, but it also gives the mom-to-be some adorable custom onesies for her little bundle of joy. Now, for the bookworms out there, consider a children's book-themed shower. Each guest could bring their favorite children's book to build the baby's first library. Imagine decorations and treats inspired by classic children's stories like The Very Hungry Caterpillar or Winnie the Pooh. It's thoughtful, sweet, and builds a love for reading right from the start. For a truly unique twist, why not host a baby shower brunch? Think pastel-colored decorations, a mimosa bar for the adults, and a pancake cake. Yes, you heard that right, a cake made of stacked pancakes decorated to perfection. It's a delightful way to celebrate, and who doesn't love brunch? Lastly, consider making it a co-ed event. It's 2024, and baby showers can absolutely include dad and all the friends, regardless of gender. Have some barbecue, outdoor games, and maybe even a beer diaper cake. It's a great way for everyone to feel involved and celebrate the upcoming arrival of the new baby together. So there you have it, some top unique baby shower ideas that are sure to make your event a hit. Get creative, have fun, and remember, the most important thing is to create a day full of love and joy for the mom-to-be. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found these ideas inspiring.